There are many methods of sigil work. I'm going to demonstrate a classic method, advanced by A.O. Spare first, because it's what I learned first. To do this, you simply need to have an intent in mind. Let's start with something simple, like this my will, to bring Jamie back to me. I don't know who Jamie is, so this would be just an example. If you know a Jamie who needs to come back, feel free to use this sigil. First, we take all the letters and we start to strike out any duplicates. So, our first duplicate is I, and then L. T, I, M, I, E. Oh, actually, we should keep E, but we have another one anyway. B, A, 2, and we'll keep that E instead. Once you've done that, you can take all the letters that are left and stylize them into a sigil. These are all of our letter options. Often, I like to begin with a circle. A simple bisection gets you a number of additional letters. In this case, we have a C, and if we put 2 lines on it, we get our I and our H. We also get L, here we have a G. So you can see you don't have to reuse many of these letters. There's a T up here. It also doesn't matter which direction they face. And then M here. And you might have an S going through there. Your M can also be your W. Your Y is here. There's your N. Your A. Your E. And then you have a J here. There's your K. This gives you a sign that you can work with. Once the sigil is created and complete, you'll need to obtain gnosis. What is gnosis? It comes from the Greek for knowledge. Essentially, gnosis is achieved when you know how the world is supposed to work. You might recognize the state from extreme exhaustion, trance work, or even orgasm. Most people, of course, know it from a really good orgasm. So what Spare suggests you do is that you take this sigil, focus on it, and give it your full attention, knowing what it represents and how it should reshape the world. And then, you fire it by achieving gnosis. Let it burn itself into your mind. What this does is reshape the world. The sigil overlays into reality, changing the pathways of our shared world to match those of the work that you've put into play. Think about it as a circuit that rewires the cosmos. And then the tricky part comes. You forget it. Let it dissipate and leave your mind. Let the magic work, and it will take the desired effect. Obsessing over magical work is the fastest way to remove its efficacy.